Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. We're going to talk about some lesser whales and insel facts. The longest English word is pneumonal tremicroscopic silica volcanoconiosis, referring to a lung disease caused by inhaling fine silica dust. The Greenland shark is believed to be the longest living vertebrate, with some individuals living over 400 years. Octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood. The world's largest desert is not the Sahara but Antarctica. Bananas are berries, while strawberries aren't technically berries, but accessory fruits. The shortest war in history lasted only 38 minutes between Britain and Zanzibar on August 27, 1896. There is a species of jellyfish called Turritopsis doherni, also known as the immortal jellyfish, which can revert to its juvenile form after reaching adulthood. The dot over the letter I is called a tittle. Honey never spoils. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. The national animal of Scotland is the unicorn. Thanks again for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and leave your comments below.